day. I haven't really been down there for a while. I think I've been down to the beach like 3 times, which is a shame because I live in Thailand. So we're gonna take the moped, me and Jonas, head down there, have a nice chill day, and please join us on this adventure. Fuck you. Yeah. And we are here.
Hey. Welcome to Tiger Toy.
Huh?
Yeah, welcome to Tiger Toy.
Welcome.
Yeah,
Thank you.
welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
One for the road.
Oh, for the road. I know what he said.
I didn't.
What did he say? Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Welcome to Tiger or something. I don't know.
Hello.
Sexy man.
Oh my god,
Oh my god, so sexy, Jonas. The beach is like 500 meters that way. Usually you can take the moped and drive through here, but we just thought it's a lot of people walking here all the time, and it's a full market, so it feels rude to just drive the moped past here, like this guy's doing.
But it was like not that many people now when we choose to not take the bike.
Yeah. Before it's been so much more.
It'd be into like 6 seconds through the bike.
Yeah.
Not through the people with the bike.
Between the bikes. Everyone is on the bike.
That's true as well.
Yeah. I mean, they were 3.
Yeah.
It's a really cute little market going down here to the beach. I will show you in a second. I have to duck the whole way because I'm way too tall. Yeah, so this part we're coming down to now is I think so, in my opinion, the main beach, because this is the most popular place on the beach. I'm not sure if it's actually the main beach. Do you know, Jonas?
No, I think it's just like a long beach.
This is where I realized we are matching. Wow. Almost. Very cool.
But this is the part of the beach that is most clean and like mostly used. I think.
Most touristy or
Most as like beach sports.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
But you can be all over wherever you want.
I mean,
but here is where it's most people.
Yeah.
Very good English.
You're right. No, it's good. It's perfect English.
Kapong Kap.
Kapong you. Yeah, because the beach is, I think it's 5 miles long. So we have room. We were like, let's go to the beach. It's not that windy today. I'm not sure about that anymore. So yeah, let's grab a horse. Hi, Aston. Hi, horsey. It's a little crazy to think that people actually go down here and rent horses.
Yeah.
Like, why? But yeah, I guess if you like horses or haven't been on a horse before, I guess okay, it's gonna kick us.
So here in Hua Hin you don't have these like completely blue beaches, the completely blue Thai beaches. It's more like a big city.
Yeah.
But it's a really nice beach, but the water isn't like that still and clear. But,
Yeah, exactly.
It's awesome.
Yeah, that's true. But it's still super nice. It reminds me of the beach in like Spain, or in Barcelona where I lived, or Gran Canaria.
This is fucking beautiful. Oh,
This is super beautiful. Look at this, boys and girls. We are discussing if the wind makes us be able to be in the beach, or be in the sun anyway.
We like the shadow.
Yeah, we want some right there.
Oh, yeah, that's fucking perfect.
in the middle of where everyone is walking. No, but you easily get fooled by the wind because it feels a lot less hot. But it still is hot. The sun still burns you as crazy. Every time I go down to the beach, I get this surreal feeling that I'm actually in Thailand. Because when you get used to the whole, you have your daily routine, you forget that you're living here and you have this available at any second. That's amazing. It's winter time now, so the temperatures have dropped pretty severely. It's not as humid and crazy hot anymore. It's still hot. It's still like 28, 30 degrees. But it's windy and like in the shadow, when you've been down here for a while, it could get a little cold in the shadow. So we're gonna try and find a sunspot instead.
And just as I said that, bam, sunspot. Wow.
Right here. Ja, men ja, perfekt. Okej, gör vi först då. Nice. Why do I have the small one? That's unfair.
Because I have so much muscles. Yeah,
Okay,
I think that makes sense.
that's true, man.
Yeah.
What can I do? Yeah,
Now, just like...
that's life. Let's get tanned.
It's so nice when you have mosquito bites on your feet and then you get sand on your feet and then you get clear with the sand, so it just destroys the whole feet, but it feels very good.
I never thought about that. Yeah, that's a good trick.
Yeah.
It might be time for a beer. What do you say?
Huh?
Do we buy beer?
Buy beer, yeah. Fuck that would be nice when it's
Yeah.
Get it? You want beer or what?
Yeah, water. Eller, fuck man.
What was it?
Beer. So dumb man. we took the best spot at the beach. If you want to buy beer, the beer place right there. Perfect. Okay. Oh. Boom. Damn. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. Cheers,
Damn.
girls and boys and
Trans people.
monkeys and fucking horses.
Fucking horses.
Have people comment that you swear? Or that we...
Yeah, they
Yeah.
have.
But fuck that shit.
Fuck
we
them,
do what
man.
the fuck we want.
That's exactly what the fuck we're doing, man. I have had like maybe 3 or 4 comments saying that I swear too much. I watched this for 8 minutes, but I turned the fucking shit off because it's the worst thing I've ever seen. You just swear in every fucking sentence, blah blah blah. It was so hateful. I was like, okay.
He must hear something wrong.
Yeah, fucking hell.
We don't do that.
Fucking over.
We don't do that.
That's not fucking us. Jonas found the guy with the hockey league tattoo on his chest from where we live. Super random. So he went over there and talked to him. FBK, it's a small Swedish, no, it's not a small, it's in the elite series in hockey in Sweden. From the area where we're from Karlstad, from the biggest city. And he had a tattoo on his full chest, so we were like, what? Is that it? And he went over there and talked to him, and he's been sitting there for 5 minutes now. It's crazy. Second beer incoming.
Beer delivery.
Beer delivery. What a day! What a day on the beach. There are plenty of worse things you can do on a day in Thailand. Or like generally in your life. Than to spend a day on the beach, man. That's awesome. I feel blessed. So we're gonna take them open and find something to eat. I don't know what. Something to put in my mouth. Probably Thai food. Or pizza. Or hamburguesa. And here is them open. We're gonna try to find a new restaurant. Which is something we rarely do. I showed him, Andreas showed me a restaurant, and I have been going to the same restaurant since then. I showed Jonas a restaurant, and we have been going to the same restaurant since then.
It's good food though.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's really good food. We like that. Okay, see you in a bit. I totally forgot to bring the camera, but I remembered. We're here at the restaurant. We just ordered. I ordered. I will show you here. I ordered that. Miang Mo Krap. It's this one. With rice noodles and spicy sauce. But yesterday I ordered a Korean meal with noodles that was with spicy sauce, and that sauce was insanely hot. Like I couldn't even finish it because my mouth was burning. So I said a little spicy. We have to chill. Kapong kap. And because of Christmas times, you get a little Santa hat on the water. And then Jonas look busy. No smoking, but yeah, okay, crazy. Wow. Come on. Interesting. I decided to take something I never tried before. Fried pork with glass noodles and sauce. It looks really good.
Knäppbröd?
It was good. It was very crunchy. Not my favorite thing, but yeah, it works. It's good. Bling bling.
An eternity later.
Yes. There it is.
Yeah.
Yes, I try. Big, very famous. No.
Yeah.
You have YouTube?
Yeah.
YouTube channel?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. You want to be on? Say hi to the viewers. Hello. An eternity later. I didn't want to say when I sat there, but that food wasn't really good, no. That was 100% top.
This guy just screamed, "You're hot." Nice. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Top 10 the worst food I've tried here, I think. But I wanted to try something different, and I did, so yeah. It was okay. I could swallow it. It's in my stomach. Okay, that was all for today, boys and girls. We had a nice day at the beach. Had some not that good dinner, but it worked. If you wanna say something, please tell me in the comments. like the video if you liked it, and please subscribe. It's actually the law in Thailand. You have to subscribe to the channel.
Support my fucking bro. You need to subscribe to the channel.
Right. That's how it is. Bye bye.